Hello and welcome back or welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. Here you'll see it says Pattern Design Circle. That's another part of my business. So I have the Pattern Design Circle podcast, but I also have the YouTube channel, which is actually under Snickerdoodle Knits. I have video tutorials and all of that. But today I have something a little bit different. I've never done something like this before. It is a book review of the Mosaic Knitting Workshop book by Ashleigh Wempe. Again, the subtitle is Modern Geometric Accessories for You and Your Home. So Ashleigh's publishers actually sent me this copy for free, full disclosure, as part of their promotional part of publishing her book. They didn't require me to do anything, but I absolutely love Ashleigh and her work, and so I've been meaning to get this video recorded. They sent me this book this summer. I just haven't had mental space, so I'm excited to finally be doing it now. So it's a beautiful book. I really love the texture of the outside of it, and it's a decent sized book. It has in it the basics of knitting in general, as well as the basics of mosaic knitting work, color work. So if you are new to mosaic knitting, she's got you covered here. Tells you how to read the instructions and how to work carrying the yarn, and then how to read charts, along with some illustrations. And then I think there's 13 patterns. I just counted, so if I'm wrong, it's because of short-term memory loss. And then at the back of the book, it has techniques with knitting skills, finishing your work, and designing your own motifs. So it's really a beautiful book. And I'll show you some of the patterns in a little more detail here. There's a blanket design. Oh, and she also has, towards the beginning of the book, she has information on choosing colors as well, because anytime we're working with color work, that can be difficult. Here's an Afghan. Cactus. I feel like it kind of has a southwestern vibe to it. Here's like a wall hanging. The tic-tac-toe wall hanging, so she calls it. And then we have triangle shawl, which I'm always down for shawls. But it's beautiful what she's done with all of these colors. Then we have pillows. And some mug cozies. There we go. And then we have a scarf. This is the Dancing Aspen scarf. And we have the crib blanket, diamond crib blanket. The floor mat. I love those colors. And a dishcloth. A dishcloth and a hand towel. She calls them the zig and zag kitchen cloths. That would be a fun gift, whether that's a housewarming gift or a holiday gift. Time that I'm recording this right now, it's October, so a lot of us are starting to think about the holidays and gift knitting. A lot of these projects would be fun to have for gifts. Here is a towel set. She calls it the Desert Rose Vanity Towels. I love the how she did opposite colors here. Like the main color on this is the orange and the contrast is orange here. And those are fun flowers. I love anything with flowers. And then here's what looks to be a quite simple coaster set. But this is another one that it's like for housewarming, for college students, for a gift. Maybe it's a thank you host's gift or something like that. These could be fun and pretty quick to knit up. I have done a little bit of mosaic knitting, and actually I should grab that for you because I have a design that it was for the Knitter's Planner is who it was for. They published it beginning of this year with their planner. It was for the 2023 planner, and the rights reverted back to me this summer. So I will be publishing that soon. Keep your eyes out for it. But the idea with mosaic knitting is that you're only working one color at a time. So you're not having to deal with multiple colors in the same row or round, and that can make it a bit more relaxing and less tedious. And it's really cool what all you can do with that technique to create these beautiful designs. This is the back cover. So it's a really fun technique. I think it's really enjoyable to knit that way. The main thing you want to be careful of is your tension, because if you are too tight, it'll pull. But yeah, basically you just slip, like if there's a color that if there's a stitch that should be the different color that you're not working with, I'm going to totally butcher the description here. Then you just slip it for that row or round, and you knit the others, and then the next row or round you knit the ones that you slipped, or purl, or whatever the technique is. And so it's just slip stitches to create color work without having to have multiple colors at the same time. So again, this is the Mosaic Knitting Workshop by Ashleigh Wempe. Highly recommend, and I will link down below. I don't think I don't have an affiliate link. If there's an Amazon link, I might have an affiliate link to that I could put down below. But this is really me just sharing about her beautiful book, because so generous of them to send it to me, and I absolutely would love to support her. So if you're loving the idea of mosaic color work, whether you've done it or not, highly recommend. And so the book is available on Amazon, $24.99 US, unless it's on sale, which it is currently showing on sale for me on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It is an affiliate link because I'm an affiliate for Amazon. It doesn't change what you pay. And yeah, I hope you check it out if you're interested in color work, whether you've tried it before or not. Lots of fun projects, and even if you don't choose to buy the book, I definitely recommend going and following Ashleigh on Instagram and all the places. So here is, I'll share my design. So this is what mosaic knitting looks like as a sample. This is the cowl that I've designed that isn't published yet, but so like right here where you have the purple, you would knit the purple and slip this lighter color, knit the purple, slip the lighter color, and then above, let's see here, right here, you would knit the white, slip the purple, knit the white, slip the purple, etc. So that is how mosaic knitting works. You're only working with one color at a time, and it creates some really fun geometric kind of shapes inside. It looks like this, where you have floats from slipping, and so then you have to carry the yarn behind. But yeah, this is a larger one, so keep your eyes peeled for this pattern too if you're interested in it. But otherwise, definitely go check out Mosaic Knitting Workshop.